Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. I'm just here on this video to say that my predictions for VET $1, 88 to 10 to $12, and ICX hitting, $20, and as well as some of my predictions for like Polkadot, Kusama, they haven't changed a bit due to this recent dump or recent correction. Because it's not like a normal market correction, it is an Elon Musk correction, and I do believe this to be temporary because eventually yes, some of his like millennial followers that basically hinge on his every word, yeah, they might exit the market and temporarily hurt it, but they're not the majority of the investors once they actually exit, because they basically do whatever the hell he tells them to do. Everyone else will actually pick back up. That this is not changing. Tesla has a lot of Bitcoin, yes, but they're not the only institutional investor that has a lot of Bitcoin. We still have like Grayscale, MicroStrategy, like Goldman Sachs and all these. They're all going to offer cryptocurrency services. Now, today also went down. Well, yesterday also went down because of something with Tether. They showed their asset backing sheets, and a lot of them were just like notes. So a lot of the institutional investors probably sold off for some for safety reasons as well. So that actually got dumped on top of the whole Elon Musk thing, and that's why we actually dropped so much. But I do believe we will rebound fairly quickly because people will actually realize, hey, Elon Musk isn't the president. He isn't like an SEC commissioner. He doesn't get to make these laws and regulations. He's just screwing around for the most part and like having some fun at everyone else's expense. So, we don't actually have to listen to him. We don't actually have to do what he actually tells us to do. And people who do are kind of idiots. So I think some people are going to actually come around to that realization very, very soon. And that's why I think it will actually recover. Yes, it might have been like it's like, I see it as more of a slight bump in the road than as like a permanent end in the bull market or anything. But it does show a weakness of crypto right now. It's still immature enough where one person can actually control the market so much. That really shouldn't be the case in like a regulated market. Like in a regulated market, I guess like besides the Fed or like the government, like no one person can actually influence the stock market that much, can buy or sell. And Elon Musk might have actually broken the law because, basically suddenly saying that an asset that your company owns, saying that they're going to sell a lot of it off and then dropping the price of an entire market, that could easily be considered market manipulation. The SEC and investors have sued over far less than that. So like, this is not one of those cases where like everything is securities fraud. This is like something that people have sued for and won before. And this is like Elon Musk. I think it's fairly clear that to people, for most people, that like Elon Musk speaking for Tesla, saying Tesla's going to sell their $1 billion worth of Bitcoin because of some like BS, like green reason or whatever. I think people can actually tell that's pure market manipulation, especially if he's buying in afterwards. Like, joking around and screwing around is fun and all that, but like you can't actually speak for your company. That can easily be considered market manipulation. And the thing is, like, I think the Elon effect will actually subside and will pick up stronger than ever because people will realize there's still a lot of institutional demand, and there's still a lot of like advancement or progress on a lot of these projects that we've actually been talking about. I personally don't think this Elon Musk thing will actually hurt them in the long run, and it should be a fairly short-term effect. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.